In the endless silence of space, our solar system drifts, unaware that something dark is approaching.
The sun and its planets dance in a rhythm older than time itself, a symphony of cosmic motion.
But beyond Pluto's frozen silence, a strange shadow begins to stir.
From the depths of the void, a tiny black hole is born, a monster that bends space, time, and light.
On Earth, astronomers notice something strange. The light from distant stars is warping.
NASA receives an unusual signal, a ripple in gravity itself, coming from the edge of our solar system.
Time begins to twist. Light bends. Reality stretches near the event horizon, the edge of forever.
Rise. The planets feel the pull. The balance of gravity trembles as the black hole's power grows.
The sun fights back, unleashing a storm of light. A clash between radiant fire and endless darkness.
One lonely planet is pulled apart. Its light devoured. Its memory erased.
Worse. And then, peace. The universe finds balance again. Even darkness becomes part of the cosmic dance.
The sun burns once more, brighter than ever. But far away, a shadow remains, the story of the black hole.